Merry
It's
Christmas.
a baby.
Dale's timing. Look.
Yay!
Look.
Kelsey, wave to the camera.
Yeah,
These
ninja.
binoculars really work. They make things look close up.
Yeah, they're like for shades.
Really?
Yeah, don't they?
Everybody say Merry Christmas to the camera.
Let's see what Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, camera.
Look at that tongue.
Look at that tongue. You're right. Where's your tongue?
I'm taking a picture of you, Daddy.
You are.
I want to open presents.
Should we begin? What do you think? Maybe we should wait until tomorrow.
Yeah.
We're kidding.
Let's see what that's.
Wait, we have to read them and see who they're for. That's for Seffi.
Oh, Mommy. To Sassy.
Hey, Seffi.
To Devin and Sassy.
You're right. You don't know how to get all 22.
Let's see what this is.
Seffi, it says it's Eggosaurs. It's like Potato Head, only it's dinosaur parts. Want to look at it?
Yes. I can open it for everybody.
What do you got, Devin?
You want to try it?
Yee, it's Christmas.
Mom, look at this.
See, Seffi, you put food on the bottom, and then you can find some eyes and some
Mom,
nose.
Shay has this.
She does? Wish I
Yeah.
had everything. Amazing.
Because see,
This is being filmed.
you have to try to get the one down.
What do you get, Sethy? You get like.
Yeah. Mom, can
Yeah.
I open another one?
Yeah.
What does this go?
Mind if I film
To
this,
Devin
please?
and Sassy.
Never mind. Don't film too much.
Mom, does this say to Devin and Sassy?
Seffi, do you want to put these away and try another present now? You can figure out the dinosaur eggs later.
Right. Mommy,
Do you want to play with it? Okay.
Mommy, I wanna. Look, Bumblebee.
Open it up. Show Daddy what it does.
Yes. Can I press a button, please? Oh, okay.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, because I'm the one that ordered that, am I? Right, Mama?
But
And I want to press one
You know
too.
something? It had Seffi's name on it. Why don't we let him have it first?
Don't. Your turn.
Ah, what a good brother.
Oh.
Daddy, what?
Well, look at it go.
This Bumbleball is special. It has little faces and hats to put on it.
Okay, so I'll stop it.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard to stop. Bumblebee.
Find the button.
Where's Bulgy? Here's Bulgy.
See the bad one. By pressing the button.
Well,
See the bad one. Can I open another one, please?
You have to pull the button out.
Okay, can you open this one? Okay. Mom, I want to train its face.
Okay.
Oh no, what have I done?
Kelsey, do you like the rocking horse?
Let's see who it's for. I need to read it.
And I want to put a
That's a nice rocking horse, huh? Yeah.
Mom, I want to put on his faces. Can you open that one? Can you open that?
Just a sec, Seffi. I'll be right with you.
Kelsey girl. Love the baby, huh? Love the baby. Want to come up in Daddy's lappy? Oh, yeah.
No.
No?
It's where you want it.
Devin, before you open it up, Sethi, let's see who it's from, okay?
Okay.
This is for Devin. Love Nana and Papa.
Okay, Seth, we'll find you a present. Are you ready?
Mom, I'll find the one in my binoculars. I want to hear my new camera.
Sethi, what kind of shoes do you have on?
Barney. Those Tito slippers.
Barney slippers. Yay.
He's a bad bus.
He's a bad bus?
Yeah.
He's just misguided. He needs some therapy.
Find it on the other side. See the red ones on top? And here's the red. This is the yellow one.
Look, it's actually light outside now.
Mommy.
It's not focusing.
Mommy. Now I want to play this. Mama,
What do you need, Dev?
Daddy, let's do this one.
Okay.